How to fix Netflix login not working on phone. So first of all, check your Wi-Fi connection and know if it's stable or not. Now, open Netflix application and make sure that you enter your right credentials. If you enter your email or password wrong, you won't be able to log in to your Netflix account. Now, in another step, open Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store, and now let's go to search and then search for Netflix app. Tap on it. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and update the Netflix app to its latest version. Once you update the app, all the app issues and bug errors will be fixed. Now, on the next step, open Settings on your phone. From here, scroll down below. Go to Apps. You can directly search for Netflix. Then tap on it. Now on this page, scroll down below and go to Storage. Now once you come here, tap on Clear Data option first. Then make sure you go through this pop-up, then tap on Delete. Then again, you could also tap on the option of Clear Cache in order to fix your issue. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.